Hi, how are you? I'm good. The epic comment from the last episode is from Virus27, who says, "My life got shortened by 15 minutes. Thank you." At the end, I'll read a few more comments you left on the last episode, so stay tuned. Also, in this episode, we'll read comments from my Instagram community, because I posted this video there and told you to go wild with it. And I got a bunch of funny comments, so in this episode we're going to read them. And in case you haven't followed me on Instagram, go and hit the follow button now, because I'll be posting more clips there on my story and we'll read the comments on the show. You follow, I'm Andre Bala. Let episode 92 begin. Two episodes ago I told you about the guy with a record blood alcohol level of 3.8 something. Well, you guys tagged me a lot saying there's someone who did even more.
A 28-year-old Blage driver stunned police when stopped in traffic.
The breathalyzer showed a record blood alcohol level. Attention, 5.86 in the exhaled air.
With such a result, the man should have been more dead than alive. The man was quickly taken to the hospital for biological sample collection.
This guy was baptized in 586 moonshine. You can't even get that much in the math exam. This guy drank from the moonshine of that guy with, "Do you want a taste?" 7 lay, the intravenous drip fainted. If I were a cop, I would have given him a medal for stopping at the officer's signal. What does the spirit do to people? Well, in Transylvania, either you drink or you drink. I couldn't manage more than 420s. Are you talking about the baccalaureate or the breathalyzer? He had more alcohol in his breath than a regular beer has? That's a very good comment. And they say Romania doesn't have many records? It might have been 6, but he wanted to stay awake. Proud to be Romanian. Of course, they didn't take samples directly from the bottle. It's from the chocolate with rum. He wanted to test him to see how much the breathalyzer could show. He stopped thinking he would get more to drink.
Help him, come on, you help him, dear. Let mommy help you, sweetheart. Leave grandma alone.
Well, I think from here...
Yes, from there, no.
Poor grandma. I wonder how long it's been since she's seen her. Still, what a gift for Children's Day. For those who didn't notice the unicorn in the back, his knees went weak when he saw her. The poor guy almost lost his grandma. Luis Stan would be proud of grandma's footwork. Unclear instructions. Grandma is in the hospital now. Mama's health dropped to 3%. Would you have had her on your conscience? Poor grandma just wanted to imitate the toy's movements. Happy Children's Day to all kids and enjoy your summer. Beautiful. No. It wouldn't have been so funny if he had a heart attack. You have an appetite for funeral wheat. It is...
Brothers, I just learned that St. Mary, who gave birth to Jesus, was only 13. And if God made her pregnant... I'm not going to finish that sentence, but why do I have to be in the database? And he doesn't?
Okay. When you want to reserve yourself a spot in hell, man, make sure you don't get struck by lightning outside. Good luck. Well, back then you died at 30, so 13 is middle age. Different times. Don't let Patriarch Daniel hear you crying into your fists. Different times, different rules. Unlucky Cancel God 2021. Selling washing machine. It doesn't bang, it doesn't rattle, it doesn't work. Most likely, a wire and it'll last you another year. That's how German cars are. They don't bang or rattle the car later on. This is sweet revenge for the neighbors who complain that you're making noise. It has a built-in massage seat. With some care, it could last 5 more years. This does 100 an hour, handling washing and mixing together. Get out of the way. It's about to take off. It's getting polished. A musical instrument of Romanian origin. Come on, I know it's your first time. I won't be tough on you. Him again? What matters is he does the laundry. This is Optimus Prime. After a month in Vaslui, he's trying to transform. No one, nothing. Parents, when you're trying to sleep, your parents are pretty mischievous. Nice, the compartment opens automatically for detergent. Very innovative. Point of view. I'm waiting for it to explode. The directors from Final Destination called. They said they have some ideas for you and your washing machine. My great-grandfather used to put cannonballs in that during World War I. I'm selling a National Association for Stock Car Auto Racing Car. It sounds like a Romanian train. My dog does the same thing. You can't stop this one. You have to diffuse it. The washing machine's dance looks like a BMW. It'll last another 2 years. What tricks does it have on the left side? I'll do it for you with my dad. Rookie, Romanu, you mess with Romanu. You think it's an Audi? This one, yeah, is a junker.
Screw your diesel. Wait, hold it.
Vardinsi, go to hell.
You too, and you too.
Good thing you put on gloves so you don't get dirty. What skill, man. Good thing you didn't get dirty. Lucky you had a tank top, otherwise you would have gotten the sleeves of your shirt dirty too. Well, you got off easy. It's like he was born from an excavator, and I thought he struck oil. He looks like he's from 101 Dalmatians, just look at him. What's happened to him? He even took some home.
Screw you too. You and you.
Be careful not to splash yourself. It's okay, master, huh? Not a single drop missed. See? Why did you only put on one glove? You look like that guy from the Darrow commercial. Nipote. Did I get something?
One piece of grandfather lost and found in the coal mine.
Grandson.
Poor thing, he didn't look like a man anymore, but you still wanted to drink venom. This comment is really cool.
Screw you. You too, you too.
What show is this? There's a professor and he's putting together a team to rob a money factory. Once they get there, my guys plan for a while, then they manage to break into this money factory, and after that they start printing money. They take hostages, and then things get complicated with fights between them and the police arriving. What show is this? Comment below. I can't remember.
The Romanian Parliament. This isn't the amazing world of Gumball, nor is it the Cotrocini Palace, Lazy Town, Easy, or Life Lessons. I thought it was Scooby-Doo and his pals Liviu Dragnea, Partidul Social Democrat. Game of Thrones. I think it's Breaking Bad, X-Men, Saw 3 La Block, Titanic, SpongeBob, Shrek 3. Man, it's not that one. It's Cinema de Shigan, that Harry Potter or something like that.
Oh yeah, Casa de Papel, Money Heist. Did you know?
And here we are at the video that was posted on Instagram and where I asked you for comments. I have 2 funny ones from TikTok and the rest are just from you. Now I couldn't read absolutely all your answers because there were quite a lot and some were repeating or saying the same idea. I tried to sum everything up to the ones you're going to see. But before that, let's watch the video. When you pay for X3 and get SkiJet X3 washing machine, this one acts like a Lamborghini when you ask for the interior too. Babe, I took the car to get washed. The car. Recently, the BMW isn't just a frying pan, it's also a sprinkler since the frying pan got sweaty. How much does this feature cost? He's got car sickness when you stay home alone. This powers the diesel pump, not vice versa. Nitro from Wish. This is a submarine, looks like a washing machine, but what did you put in the tank? A menu from Kentucky Fried Chicken, the spicy one, basically Johnny Sins. Mercedes played a prank on him. We can say it turned into a water pump, it's mouthwash, but for a car. I got myself a German washing machine me after a bucket of Kentucky Fried Chicken and 5 beers flat. I told you that I would. I'll read a few more comments from last episode. So Danny says, when I was watching you, I was eating Coliva and I couldn't laugh anymore. Condiments for the loss. Hi-oh, hi-oh. It made me laugh when I read it. Hi. I just hope I'll be in the next episode. There's no room in this one, maybe in the next one. I greet all the members on the channel and also those who have grown old along with me. That's about it for this week. Smash the like button, post stories, share, and fill up the comment section. See you next week with a new episode. Bye.